Most people think they know Tokyo, but I'm about to show you 7 experiences you regret not doing. We're going beyond the usual tourist spots. No temples, no go-karting around the city. This is Tokyo like you've never seen it before. And here's the kicker. One of these experiences is so unique it literally doesn't exist anywhere else in the world. Stick around because I guarantee it's not what you think. All of the activities in this video are specific bookable experiences that you can do in Tokyo. So we've made sure to leave all the links in the description for you guys, but also you're gonna see QR codes popping up throughout the video, so you can just scan them. Starting with number 7, we've got the tuna auction with sushi tasting.
Just to clarify, this is not in an order of preferences, it's just a random order, but we have left our favorite to the end.
This activity starts extremely early. At 4:20 in the morning, you're gonna get picked up at your hotel to go to the world famous Toyosu Tuna auction. Here you will see professional bidders evaluate tuna in seconds. Have you ever seen a tuna?
100 yen, 300 yen.
Have you ever seen a tuna? It's literally like the size of a human being. I had no idea. If this experience wasn't already cool enough, after that you're gonna head to the Tsukiji market to try sushi. This market is famous for its seafood and sushi culture, and it was once the largest wholesale seafood and fish market in the world.
Activity number 6, knife making workshop. Japanese knives are not just famous in Japan, I think they are famous throughout the whole world. In this activity, a master or a knife expert is going to show you how to forge, sharpen, and also engrave your name or whatever you want on the knife. This is a really hands-on experience, and the best part is that you can take this knife as a souvenir. But you may want to do some research on how to take a knife in a plane. Obviously it will be in the check-in bag, but do you need to encase it?
Activity number 5, sushi making class with a professional chef. Remember the market we talked about before, the Tsukiji? The one that I struggled to say?
We are laughing because we haven't shown it, but it's taken Carol 10 times to say this.
Well, this experience is slightly different because you get to actually make the sushi, but also try it. And the most incredible part is that you're going to be using the freshest fish in the world to be making this sushi. I don't even know why I sound so excited. I hate sushi.
I love it. I love it. This would be one for me.
Besides that, you will learn proper sushi techniques as well as knife handling, which is a really important part of making sushi.
And it may seem easy, but I guess you have to learn from the pros.
Overall, I think this experience is just so valuable because you get to go home and know how to make sushi. You can buy the equipment and just be a professional.
It doesn't mean you'll make it like a professional chef though.
But at least you will have hands-on experience.
Activity number 4, Kendo Samurai Experience. 1 hour later. Kendo is a Japanese martial art where you get to learn the techniques of handling a sword. Of course, this is a guided experience, so there's going to be someone there teaching you the discipline, the stance, the proper techniques, the proper movements, and hopefully at the end of this activity, you become and you're crowned a samurai. And obviously bear in mind that it is a cultural experience, but also physical. So you may want to do some push-ups before to warm up that body.
If you're liking the video so far and you're finding this experience valuable, then please subscribe to the channel because we would really appreciate it. Let's jump on to experience number 3, Chopstick Making workshop. It's really cool because you start with basically a piece of wood and you get that step 0 to get to the end where you make this beautiful handmade and designed chopstick.
For me, the coolest part is that you made it yourself and it's perfectly adaptable. The balance, everything is specifically for your hand. So essentially, once you get back home, no one else should be using your chopstick. Make sure you get that name on it and that's it for you all your life.
And it's also a really good gift if you want to do the workshop and make it for someone else, like a wedding present.
Personally, because I love Asian food, I would fall in love if you gave me customized chopsticks.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
If you gave me customized chopsticks.
I'm so
because
sorry.
I don't have customized chopsticks.
I'm so sorry I didn't make you.
Shouldn't be telling you what to give me. It's a shame to say that we are nearly done with the video. But let's go with activity number 2. This one is taking part in a sumo tournament. I must admit, probably my favorite. Well, I think my favorite is number one.
Number one.
Number one for
100%.
sure. But anyways, sumo tournaments happen 6 times a year throughout these varied cities in Japan. Luckily, it happens 3 times in Tokyo, so you have more chances of seeing them in Tokyo. Usually these tournaments are some of the most popular sports events in the whole of Japan. Just imagine a small ring and then massive crowds of people watching, and you can be one of them. On the other hand, if you don't want to watch sumo wrestlers, but you want to take part, you can also do that. There's an experience that offers a dinner plus sumo wrestling, so you can watch sumo experts fight, but later on you can join and then you can teach everyone.
I think that one is a bit of an upgrade. You can watch or you can also experience it yourself, so go up a level.
I think personally, not necessarily an upgrade, but it's totally different because in a sumo tournament you see the best of the best fight, whilst on the other one you can do it yourself. So realistically, it's up to you.
You decide, whatever you fancy. And now for the experience we've all been waiting for. Experience number one, my favorite, your favorite, and probably your favorite. Secret Underground GTR car meetup. What the hell does this mean? Japan has a huge car culture, and I'm not saying any cars, I'm saying modified supercars, super cool.
Basically the ones that appear in Gran Turismo, Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift.
You get to see this in real life, but also ride in one of these cars. It's
not just any car meetup. This specific activity offers exclusive access to a private club. Obviously, you pay a fee, but everything, absolutely everything is included.
And you even come out with a little card of your own that tells you you're a member of the club.
It's an amazing experience. And also, if you still haven't seen Tokyo, don't see it, because when you get in the car, the person driving you will also take you to the iconic landmarks in Tokyo, so you can show off to absolutely all your friends what you did. After hearing this activity, are you on board with us saying that number one is the best? If not, let us know in the comments which was your favorite activity.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye bye!